The sunlight pours through the canyon's cracks. A rusty truck rolls with the wind at its back.
Hello friends, you're welcome back to our channel, the Chimade Video channel. In this video, I want to show you a comprehensive guide on how 55 BTC works. That's what this video is all about. Now, 55 BTC is a crypto game platform. When you put in your money, deposit through USDT, when you register, deposit through USDT, then you see a lot of games. I'm going to show you a very quick one. You play this game, and these games are fantastic. More than almost 20 of them. You choose the ones you play and make profit and withdraw instantly. Then if you are someone who likes building team, you can still make money through team building. But if you don't like building team, you do your thing and make your money. Now, the first step is to join. And you're going to have a link you sign up with. I prepared a short video earlier that shows it. Very simple. The sign up is very simple. Once you click on that link, you're going to see where to put your username, your whatever, your phone number based on your country code. Just choose your country, put your phone number, put your password, and sign up. Very simple. Now, when you sign up, you come to this place like this. Now, you are seeing all of this. Is if you want to make deposit, because the first thing you need to do is to make deposit. When you register, the next thing is to deposit, because without having money in your account, you cannot do anything. Now, let me go to these buttons down here. We have home, market, trade, chart, me. Let's go to me. I want to show you something. Now, let me click on this on top of my this thing here. I'm at level 3. For you to see, because for you to make deposit, you need to know the level. Once you join, you are just at level 1, and at level 1 is nothing. You just registered account. You are doing nothing. Nothing is coming in. Nothing is going out. Now, the first step you take is level 2, VIP 2. You need at least $2. But I will advise you to be on level 2, VIP 2 is from $2 to $99 USDT. Now, I tried funding my wife's account yesterday with $2 to just try to play for her after she registered. I discovered I cannot fund accounts with $2 from my ByteGate. I don't know other wallets. You know, there's some wallets when you want to send USDT on TRC20, they will tell you the minimum is $10. So you can, let me assume you start with $10 so that you can at least send it. Your money is your money. You can withdraw at any time. Now, at VIP 2, between $2 to $99 is still VIP 2. But if you want to start at VIP 3, it's $100. I started with $160, $169, which is still VIP 3. And that's it. Now, VIP 4 is $800. You can see the list, so you know what you want to start with. Remember, whatever money you put here is your own. It does not mean that when you put in $1,000, you are going to use all of them and play game. They are there, your balance. Let me show you. Let me just show you. Let me go back and show you my balance. Look at these balances. Remember, I told you I started with 169. Look at what I have here, 208, because I play some games. I've been able to play. I've played 2 games. The first game I played, I made $24. You understand? Then I tried another game, made small money, and made it play again and lose it. I left that game. I played another particular game yesterday. After I get small, I left it. I played the 4th game. That 4th game, I wanted to use $3 to play it, but mistakenly, I put $30 instead of $3, and I was shouting, "Hey, I've made mistake!" But luckily, I won it. It was a $2, a 2 odd plus. So I won $60, and that's why you could see this. I have $208 here already. That's how the game. So if I want to withdraw now, very simple. I can withdraw it. That's no joke. Now, when you want to withdraw your money, at least $10. Once you click on withdraw, now the same will want you to set up your withdraw fund password. Fund password is different from your login password. Just set it up. Anything digits numbers from 6 digits and above. It can be 10 digits, it can be 20 digits, but set your digits. That's it. So that whenever you want to withdraw, the system asks for that, you put it. Then you put your address you want to send the money to, that USDT address. That's it. Now let's go back. Once you now have money in your account, you can play games. But before I go to games, let me show you something. This invitation, in case you want to build a team, you want to invite people, you click on this invitation, you copy your invitation link to invite people. Now let's go back to home page to see the Now let me click on settings first. This settings is where you can, on settings, that's where you click to log out or whatever. Then you can always, there are other things you can do, like resetting your password and many of them. But let's go to home page now. On this home page, I want to click on game. This is where the games are. I want to show you. Now these games, you can see we have wheel game, we have red green, we have red black, we have fruit, we have mice whipping. I think this is one of the ones I played yesterday, which was one that gave me that real money. It should be bloods. I think it should be blood. I earned $60 or thereabout. Or disc. We have high low. This one, the one I earned $24 the first day. I played it once and won it. Now Louisville Crash Plus. Now this particular games, I'm preparing video on each of them on how to play in case you don't know it. Some of them are popular games most of us know about. You can play. You are an expert in playing games. You make real money here because nobody restricts you. You understand? But if you don't know it, I'll say just make sure you subscribe to our channel and hit that notification bell. You're going to see how to play this game, each and every one of them. Now, let's assume for instance this wheel game. Let me show you, for instance, how it works. Now this wheel game, you can see there are colors here: red, blue, green, black. I think 4 colors. Now the wheel game, look at it: black, red, blue, green. Or you look at where you say amount for option. You put the amount you want here. For instance, let's say I put $30 here. That's what I want to play. Now, not just putting $30, I would choose, maybe let's say I choose blue. When I choose blue, this $3, blue, this system is telling me that the odd in choosing blue is 5.07 odd. That means if I play this game with my $3, I'll be making around $15. That's what it is. Now, if I choose it, what I'm saying that by the time this wheel is done, that this arrow will be on one of the blue. You can see that blues are few, and that's why the odd is as big as this. Now, if you look at green are few. Green is only 1, and the odd is 50.7 odd. That means if you choose green, you're saying that at the end of this will hit green. And imagine if you play it and it works, and you put in something like $10 and 50 odd. That's, you know what it means? That's 500 odds. That's what it is. If you put $10, you're earning around $500. And this is real, no joke, no story. But because those things are few, the odd are there. The one that has the lowest odd, 1.95, is black, because black has so plenty. Yet it's possible. Followed by red, that is also followed, which is 2.98. But this is like yesterday, I played this game 2 times and won it. Even though another game I played took my earnings. I played with red once and I got it. I played again, put in red, and red won it. Like in this case, we are seeing black winning it. So this is how to play this game. So once you have concluded, you click on confirm. Immediately I click on confirm, now my $3 will be gone, and the next thing will happen. If he clicks on blue, I've earned it. If he doesn't click on blue, I've lost that. So you need to use small money to master these things. And it's a game of luck, it's a game of mastery, but it's very, very fair. And that is wheel game for you. Let's look at red-green game, for instance. Guess the number between 0 to 9. Now you are told that 1, 3, 5, 7, 9 are green. Any number that is in all those odd numbers are green. 0, 2, 4, 6, 8 are red. But 0 and 5 are also purple. If you get a number that is 0, it's called purple, or 5 is purple. So if you have 0, it means that 0 is both red and purple. Do you understand? That's why you are seeing red, purple here, like this one. Anything like 0 is red, purple. 1 is green, 2 is red, 3 is green, 4 is red, 5 is also green, purple, 6 is red, 7. Are you getting it? So you are going to, when you place your amount here, you are saying that as this countdown finishes, the next one starts, that the number that will appear is going to be either of green or red purple. Are you getting it? So if I choose red, that means I'm saying that the number that will appear would either be 2 or 4 or 6 or 8. Are you getting it? Or 0. And you see the odd are the same thing, 9.75 odd. And if I choose green, look at the same odd. So that's exactly what it is. If I now choose red, purple. Look at the odd is there. So this is exactly how this will work. But if I decide to choose, okay, only red, now look up. If I choose that one will come out, I'm going to have this. If I choose just a particular number, but if I just choose red, say okay, red will come out, meaning that it can be 2, 4, 6, 8, or 0. I'm only having 1.95 odd. If I choose it's going to be green, 1.95 odd. But if I choose it's purple, that means either 0 coming out or 5 coming out. Then I'm having 4.87 odd. You see it. The easier the chances, the lower the odd. The harder the chances, the higher the odd. Very simple game. Very, very simple game. So you play these games, you can win. So all of these games are so fun. Just take time and study it. By the time you study all this, these are popular ones, or hot ones. If you click on all, you now see that the games are much. Are you seeing it? Look at the games. Even the one they call 3-star lottery, 4-star lottery. These are games, big lotto. All of them are here. So you can make a choice of this game, master them. There's no way you play these games continually, you will not be able to master 3, 4 of them that you are sure you'll be winning so much. And that's how fantastic these games are. And winnings are real. Withdrawals are. I've made a withdrawal to confirm it. When I made that withdrawal, actually took around 7 minutes to land in my account. I guess that was network confirmation and all that. But very seamless, very sweet. And the system is legit and very strong. If you try anything like to maneuver over the system, you are young tough. It's not permitted. So like I said, if you are good at building a team, you can make crazy money because there's team building rewards. Apart from the fact that you earn commission from the deposit of your team members that join through your link, yes, they're also playing the game and winning. You also, if they play and lose, you will not lose with them. But when they play and win, as they earn from their profit, you also earn some game rebates. That's exactly how the system works. So it's one of the best ways to make money online, especially crypto, right now online. I want you to join. Please look at my link. Let's build team together, and I will always be there to support you. Join through my link. As you sign up, quickly put in your money and start playing these games. Don't just be wasting time watching here and there. It pays and it's legit. I wish you the best. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to our channels. Thanks for watching.
Walls to confine. The world is my canvas. The choice is all mine.